Friends, today we are going to study through this video a sum that is standard 10th SSC exercise 1.5 and sum number 6. The data says Vishal traveled a distance of 1900 kilometers, some distance by bus and some distance by aeroplane. The average speed of bus is 60 kilometers per hour and that of aeroplane is 700 kilometers per hour. It takes 5 hours to complete the total journey. Find the distance traveled by bus by Vishal. Now, two mode of transport he has taken. One is bus and another one is aeroplane. So first you will go for supposition. You have to do this with linear pair, that is simultaneous equation method. You cannot do it with the quadratic equation, you have to do with the simultaneous equation method. So very first we will take two variables. Let the distance covered by Vishal by bus is how much? X, and that of aeroplane B, Y. So total distance is 1900. So as per first condition of the sum, X plus Y is equal to how much? 1900. This is equation number 1. Second condition, you have to understand how much time he has traveled by bus and how much time by aeroplane. So time is considered by what? Distance upon speed. To calculate the time, if the distance and speed is given, you can find out the time. So as per second condition of the sum, distance covered by bus is how much? X kilometer, and speed is what? 60. So by bus it is, by bus time taken is how much? X upon 60 hours, and time taken by aeroplane is what? Y upon 700 hours. This time and this time is total how much? 5 hours. So as per second condition it is X upon 60 plus Y upon 700 is equal to I, equation number 2. Now you have got two equations. In this case, to remove this what? Denominators. What you will do? You will take the LCM of 60 and 700. So LCM of 60 and 700 is how much? That is, you can take this way, 60 and 700. Cancels, 2 3s are 0, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 0, again by 2, 2, 15s are 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are, now by 3 to learn 2. So 5 5 3 are 15 and 5 3 are 15, 5 5 are, it doesn't cancel anymore. So this is 3 1 ja 35 1 ja. So this all you multiply 2 2 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20, 23 ja 60, 60 multiplied by 35, 5 0 0 and 5 6 ja 30, 3 0 ja 0, 3 6 ja 18. This is 0 0 1 2, that is 2100. So multiplying LCM 2100 throughout the equation. Multiplying LCM 2100 throughout the equation. That is 2100 into x upon 60 is how much? 2100 into y upon 700 is equal to 5 into 2100. This zero cancels by this zero. 6 3 are 18, 6 5 are 35 x plus 7 3 are 21 3 y is equal to 0 0 5 1 ja 5 5 2 ja 10, 10,100. This is equation number 3. Now when you check the equation number 1 and 2, no coefficients are equal, same. So in this we can multiply 3. When you multiply 3, this become equal. So multiplying 3 in equation number 1. Multiplying 3 in equation number 1. That is multiplying 3 in equation number 1. That is 3x plus 3y is equal to 5700. Equation number 4. Now 3x and 3y, they are same. So subtracting equation number 4 from 3. 4 and 4 from 3. So 3 is 35x plus 3y is equal to 10,500 and 4 is 3x plus 3y is equal to 5,700. Subtracting, so sign will change, minus, minus, minus. These two cancels. 35x minus 3x, 32x is equal to 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. 15 minus 7 is 8. And here is 9, 9 minus 5 is 4. So x is equal to 4,800 upon 32. Cancel. 4 8 ja, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 0 0. Then 8 1 ja 8, 4 8 5 ja 40 0. X is equal to 150 kilometers. You have supposed let the distance covered by Vesas by bus be x. So x is 150 kilometers. Therefore, answer the distance covered by bus is 150 kilometers. So this is the simple thing. When you have to read the sums carefully, understand the data. Your data told that total distance is 1,900 kilometers, some by bus and some by plane. So suppose by bus x and by plane y. So first condition, x plus y is equal to 1,900 and time has taken 5 hours. So time traveled by bus is x upon 60 and by plane is y upon 700 equal to 5. Then take the LCM and simply solve it, you get the result. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you for listening.